Characteristic of a stingy person is that when he hears the name of the Prophet Muhammad, he does not want to pray to him. Even though one of our prayers to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam will be rewarded with 10 goodness from Allah, while those who need intercession are us. How to get intercession? By increasing prayer. Then why are we reluctant to listen to the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Then what we need to contemplate and we need to pay attention to is the role of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam in the afterlife. He was very busy caring about the condition of his people. Are there still people living in hell? When the Prophet Muhammad saw his people in hell, the Prophet prostrated to Allah to ask for intercession so that his people would be expelled from hell. Never stopped prostrating to Allah whenever he saw his people in hell. So we are reluctant to prostrate to him. Don't be the most stingy person, because stingy is defined when you don't want to spend something you have for other people, and what's worse than stingy is when you don't want to spend something whose purpose is for your own benefit. That's why people who don't want to pray to the Prophet Muhammad when they hear his name are very stingy people. Do not be stingy. Hope it is useful.